Back to the charts with Big Boss Crypto, bringing out a day trading analysis on Bitcoin and on AVAX. Today we're gonna take a look at the Bitcoin's move to the upside, and we're currently seeing 2 red days in a row. And we're gonna take a look at AVAX as well, which is pumping like crazy. But I don't think the end is coming pretty soon for AVAX, and I do think we're gonna continue to the upside. Let's look at the chart. As you know by now, Bitcoin has been pumping like crazy the last couple of weeks. And as you can see, we're pretty much overextended to the upside. We need to cool ourselves down because, yeah, the crash is going to be big. If we still continue to the upside, it's going to look like a new released coin, basically, if Bitcoin continues the extensive move to the upside. So we need a little bit of consolidation, maybe a drop down. And as far as I can see, we continue with the market maker structure. 3 hits to the upside. We're currently in our 3rd and final hit, where we need to see a double top formation, a clear one, before we say, yeah, we're in for a reversal. And we still have this volume candle to the upside to be claimed at 45.6k. Break that, we could go all the way to 50k, but I don't think it could happen actually, because you know, we're gonna take a look at it later. A lot of liquidation points are being built to the upside, which means people are going short, thinking that yeah, we've seen 2 red days, the move to the upside is finished. But I don't think that we could continue even higher, but we're gonna discuss that when we look at the liquidation map. And yeah, wait for double top confirmation. We don't see any yet. We wait for confirmation until we place any trades or place any shorts. Not financial advice. This is just for educational and entertainment purposes only. News trends for this week. Today we have the non-farm employment change and unemployment rate, which could rock the market. We're seeing a red start to the day today ahead of the news, which is coming out pretty soon. So we're gonna have to wait and see what happens here. Other than that, yeah, pretty slow weekend. We have the Chinese CPI numbers coming out, and on Tuesday we had the CPI numbers coming out for the US, and then on Wednesday we have the FOMC statement and federal funds rate, which is gonna shock the market to the upside or to the downside. Looking at the liquidation map, we can see, as I said, a lot of people have been going short lately, thinking that this is the end of the move. A lot of liquidation points at 55k, 50k, 47k, and 45k. The closest big cluster to the downside, i.e. longs getting liquidated, is at 40k, which is kind of a long way to go, and it's pretty close to 45k already. So I do think we could have another spike to the upside, create that double top formation, and when we get that confirmation, we place our shorts. Not financial advice, but that's something I'm looking at least. Now let's take a look at AVAX. AVAX looking pretty nice, as we've been pumping for over, I think it's 4 days. We're currently stalling around $26. We had a peak today at almost $28 on Binance. So yeah, looking pretty strong, as you can see. Also an extensive move to the upside, but we talked about this double bottom formation. We had our first leg up, first retrace, second leg up, which we're currently in. I don't see a clear retrace yet. We need to possibly go down to this volume candle right here to recover that one, and then we can call this the second high. And then we're waiting for a third and final leg up, which could go all the way up to $41, which is where the next volume candle to the upside resides. If we get a big downturn on Bitcoin, and this is actually the first leg up, could theoretically be, because this is a small drop, then volume candles to $16, $15, and $13 could be recovered in the next move to the downside, and we're still in an uptrend. So that's something I'm looking at as well. Second leg high, as you can see, small pump, not much to cheer about. So I don't think the leg 1 is finished yet. So I do think we're in for something like this. Bigger drop, bigger move to the upside, and then the third and final leg up might be all the way up to $66, and then we'll have a bigger retrace, more sustained one, when we get there. But that's something I'm looking at least. We could have a downturn from here, and then $16 could be the impulsive move to the downside. Then we'll shoot up again up to $40. Not financial advice, that's something I'm looking at least. AVAX, great project. We've been talking about this coin on this channel for a while. Great investment, not financial advice as well. You do whatever you want to do. But yeah, looking great. See you soon. This was it for today. Big Boss out.